This elegant, traditional home offers resort-style living in the Claremont Golf Community. Located on a corner lot in a cul-de-sac, it's close to parks, creeks, the Claremont Golf Club, tennis, and top-rated Bethany schools. Ball Creek, with its 4 waterfalls, runs along the back of the home, offering a unique, peaceful setting. Heading inside, from the 10-foot-high ceilings to the formal living room with built-ins and a warm gas fireplace, no detail is overlooked. Pocket doors open to the formal dining room with a tray ceiling. Hardwood floors lead to the spacious family room with built-ins and another fireplace for relaxing. You can unwind on the patio overlooking the tranquil creek. The light and bright kitchen features a gas cooktop island, stainless steel appliances, and abundant storage space. In the primary suite, wake up to serene views of the waterfall. You'll find a large walk-in closet and heated travertine floors, a tiled shower, and a large soaking jacuzzi tub in the primary bath. Another bedroom, full guest bath, and utility room complete this main level. Upstairs, you'll find a large open bonus space with high ceilings and views of its own. This home of more than 3,300 square feet is well appointed with extensive crown molding, a surround sound system, 4 bedrooms, 1 non-conforming, and 3 full baths. An automatic awning over the patio is also perfect for year-round entertaining. Living here, you're within walking distance to the clubhouse with a pool, gym, and meeting rooms. And you're close to the community tennis court, an 18-hole putting course throughout the neighborhood, Starbucks, restaurants, and shopping. A wonderful opportunity on one of the best locations and lots in the Claremont Golf Community, and it's ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.